Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a text into a video clip on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So let me just remove that example video clip here and work with this video clip here in the background. So what you want to do is insert the video clip, put it on your timeline, and then guys you will see that text track here just above the video track. So you may click into it, or you may navigate to the text tab here on the left hand side and go, for example, with a default plain text here, or you choose a different text style, click into see all. I will go with that plain text here, click into it, position it on your text track here. Let's say, for instance, here at the 5-second mark. And now you can adjust the duration of the given text element so that it aligns, for example, with the duration of the entire video here, like this. And then you may click into the text, wait for the inserting to be finished, and then double click into it and type in your text here. That's it. You may change the font color here, change the font size, edit the text here. You may also move the text box on your frame here to the top right corner, resize the text box, rotate it, and so on and so forth, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.